termination of all strife. In divine communion within the heart, there surges a mystic lake. Being crystal clear, it reflects the star-studded panorama of the divine moon, shining beyond the dark clouds of all strife. The lotus of the heart blooms, unfolding the hidden secret of the self, and the mystic vision soars higher and higher beyond the turmoils of the world process. The veil of ignorance is rent asunder along with the knots of karma and kama. The window that opens within the heart reveals the glorious expansion of the self. Lo, I've seen the end of pain, beyond grief and sorrows mundane, far away from the miseries of life, unto the termination of endless strife. Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahman.